everyone, my name is Abdul Rahman, and in this video we are going to talk about inheritance. Inheritance is a major form of modularity, but it can also help with scaling and maintainability over time. But when we are creating classes and using object oriented programming, we are doing it under the idea that we are making something, okay, that we are making something that people will use, or we will use that in our future, or anybody can use that. Okay, so let's go ahead and get started. So first of all, I will create a blob class which inherits from blob. Okay, so this will be your parent class. First of all, I have created a blob class. Then I am going to create another class which inherits from the blob. Okay, so which means that is our parent class. So I will give here is, so let's create, I am giving class, then I will give is green blob. Okay, in the brackets I will give is, I am calling this blob from blob.py because we have given here from blob import blob, which means that we are giving the name of the file and then we are calling this class. Okay, so as it knows, so after that I am calling this blob function again here, blob class. So I will give here is pass, and now okay, as you can see here, we can run this program, but we will not print anything. Okay, we will print as it was, it will print as it was printing before. It will show some like 10 green blobs and then 4 blue blobs. Okay, so I will give here is green blob instead of giving blob. So now I am going to run this program. As you can see here, it's printing as it was showing before. So 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 1 2 3 4. Blue blobs are 4 and the green blobs are 10, right? So it's printing as it was printing before. So now I'm going to close this one. So now let's define a function and create some special method. So I will give here is, before this here, okay, instead of giving pass, I will define a function that is def double underscore init. Okay, we have got everything, not this one, I don't want. Def init, and in the brackets I will give is self. Beside that, so now I will give is self dot color equals to the green, which is here. So now I will give is, so now I'm going to run this program. It will show us. Oh, as you can see here, it's showing us some error because we have overwritten the original init method. Okay, as you can see here, so I will close this one where we have done that. So I want to check that def init. Okay, so it's showing us because we have overwritten the original dunder init method. Okay, so here dunder means double underscore, right? So anyhow, we have init method for, so how we could have init method for both classes. So in this case, we can use a keyword known as super. So here the super function is used to give access to the methods and properties of a parent class. So let's use that here. So what I have done is, this is known as parent class because this is the main class and after that we have given the, because we are inheriting the first blob class. Okay, so now what I will do is, here beside self I will, not here, instead of giving here self dot color, I will add one more thing, that is super. Okay, super dot, not dot, I will give here brackets and then dot under init. Okay, and the brackets I will give is, we have to give something like color and then x boundary, x boundary, comma y underscore y. So now here beside this self I will give is showing us error because we have not given here color. The error has gone from the color. Then I will give here is x boundary, the error has gone from here also, and y boundary. Okay, so now I am going to run this program. Okay, before that I will tell you one thing, that is, now after running this program we will be having all of the blobs in the green color. So let's run this program and see whether the color has changed or not. Okay, all of them are in the green color. 1 2 3 4 5 6. So all of them are 14. Okay, because we have given here green blobs equals to 10 and blue blobs equals to 4. After that what we have done is, we have written such a code that we should convert the blue blobs into green blobs. Okay, so I'm going to close this one. Okay, so now I think many people will be distressed with the use of super keyword, but we can give in another way which will be kind of hard coding. Okay, so here is they will be distressed in using super, so we can give is blob, and here we can give is self. Okay, so now let's run this program. This will work. Okay, as you can see here, it's also working, but we will have many problems when we are creating, like when we are doing multiple inheritance. So now I want to close this one. I will close this one also. So now I will give is, instead of giving that, I will remove this self and instead of blob I want to use here is only super. Okay, so now on the topic of inheritance, the other thing we can do is we can add new methods, like for example, so before that, so on the topic of inheritance we can add other things like new methods, like I will show you that here by running this program. These all blobs are dancing here, so we can make it in fast moving, and we can make some more changes. Okay, so before that, as you can see here, we have done the init method and we have written that done the init method here 2 times. Okay, so with which we are trying to change the color of the all blobs. So now we can also define a new function. So like as you can see here, we will below this, I will not here, I will give is def, and I want to move all of the blobs fast, so we'll see this one. Already we have given motion, we can't give that, so what if we give like fast motion, fast movement, I could say fast motion, and then here is I have to call self self. Okay, I have to come here, and now I will give self dot x, that equals I will give is random dot and range, and in the brackets I will give is, I want to move this fast. So here we have given, like where we have given the speed range minus 1 comma 2, okay, which is the speed range of the blobs that are moving. So I want to move it fast. So what if we give like not 10, 5 comma -5, okay, and then I want to move this self, okay, and then self equals I will give is random dot not random rand range, and in the brackets I will give same like 5 comma -5. So I'm going to run this program. They are not moving because I think we have not called them, so I have to call them, I think. Oh, we have not given here self dot y, so I will run it again and see whether it's coming or not. Still now I will close this one. So now I think I have, oh, we have this error, we have not given some plus, and let's change to -10 comma, I think I should give like this 10 comma 10. So now I'm going to run this program. I think they are moving some fast, not much, but only some. So we are getting this error every time in the line 46 of OP. We are getting this error because the object is not callable on the line 53 also. I think I should have some space in the still we are getting the error. Oh, we are missing this quit. Okay, we'll go at the top, and so now we have given here like we were giving display. Okay, so here we were giving like, right, so we have given here self dot x, self dot plus equals random equals to rand range we have given, and -10 comma -10 comma -10 comma 10. So it should work, I think. So I think we should call this function somewhere. Fast motion. So okay, we have given here self dot. Oh, we are doing the mistake here. We have given self blob dot motion, right? So we have to give is fast motion. Okay, so now I think it will work. As you can see here, all of them are moving very fast. This is known as fast speed. So here what I will do is, instead of giving minus 10 comma 10, what if we give is 10 comma minus 10 minus, and here like this. So let's run this program. Oh, it's showing us error. I think I should do as I was doing before. So let's run this program again. This is the last time. So guys, as you can see here, all of them are moving very fast. Whenever we are changing the numbers, if we change this number, where it was here, okay, so when we are changing the numbers, it's moving very fast. It's working according to the numbers. So if I give here 20, right, and here also 20, and here also, and here also, and I would run this program. Very fast. Okay, they are dancing very badly, so I should stop here. So guys, that's all for this video, and I will see you guys in the next video. Thank you, bye bye.